This is a 1 TB SSD, but I'm running out of space on this thing. It has got a Windows 11 OS and VMware workstation and a couple of VMs in there. So I got this 2 TB SSD now, and I intend to use this Unitek dual bay docking station to clone. The good thing about this, as far as the specification goes, is that I don't need to connect it to a computer. One of the bays is used for the source disk, the other from the target disk, and it should clone. So let's check this thing out. As we open the box, this is the dock, the DC 12-volt USB on-off switch, and this is probably the clone button. This is A for the source disk, this is B for the target disk. What else is in there? USB cable, user manual, and a power adapter. Let's power it up, and so according to the manual, the two SSDs needs to be plugged in before I turn on the power. So this is my source disk. Target disk, 2 TB. Let's plug it in. Pushing the power button to power up the dock. It does indicate that it has disks in bay A and B. So I need to press and hold the clone button for 3 seconds until the 100% LED lights up, and then quickly press the clone button once again after that, and then the 25% clone LED will light up and start flashing. So let's try this. %, lights up. Did I miss it? I probably missed it. Okay, let's try this again. %, started flashing. That's what I assume is 25%, yeah. So clone is running. Let's get back to it when the cloning is done. It's been over 6 hours now. All the LEDs are lit up, but the 25% one is blinking, and there is nothing in the instruction set to tell me why that is. I'm going to turn it off now, and hopefully it'll work. So it actually ended up working just fine. The system booted up, and all the data was there. So I believe their instructions are a little bit inaccurate in that when the cloning is complete, all the lights will remain solid, but the 25% light will actually keep on blinking. So that's something to be aware of.